If you thought the 36 1450s were big, I got a surprise for y'all. What's up, guys? Today we're finally going to be addressing the one thing that has driven me crazy about this truck since the day that we got it. So if we take a step back, she's looking pretty freaking right, and we haven't even done that much to it. Lift kit, wheels and tires, tint. I guess it's just a testament of how good looking of a factory truck this thing was, being the sport package, all the color match and everything. But every time I look at this truck, there's one thing my eyes cannot leave, and it's the freaking roof. Holy crap. Let's leap up on these 36s. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. Now, we've debated since the day that we got this truck, is the clear coat cooked, or did someone wax this thing and never wipe it off, and then the sun just basically baked it into the paint? I think it is that, because there's no signs of chipping or flaking, and there's even some, what I would say, you know, over wipe wax marks where, you know, you get it on the white, or you get the wax on these black trim pieces, it'll stain it like that. And that's screaming to me. Now, could someone have possibly tried waxing it after the fact where the clear coat was bad? Yes. So we won't really know until we polish the fire out of it. Oh, it looks so freaking bad. Sunny days, it's screaming up there. So let's get the polisher out. I guess we'll clean it first. Let's clean it first, then get the polisher out and see if we can work some magic on this thing. Yeah, I'm using way too freaking much. I don't care. Well, O'Reilly's did not have the like heavy grade compound that I was hoping for, but we picked up this McGuire's, why are you not focusing? Ultimate Compound Color and Clarity Restore, which our paint does look like that currently, and we want it to look like that. So we'll see if this is all just a marketing scheme or if it actually works. The turtle wax stuff that we've been using is literally just like a scratch remover. So that's probably like fine, like not heavy compound, whatever the case. Got some masking tape as well so we can tape off our seal. So let's hop back up there, give it a shot. All right, cue time lapse from the upstairs window. The truck is not centered and it's gonna drive me crazy, but I'm not moving it. So I'm gonna go ham on this thing and hopefully y'all will witness the clear blue paint come back to life. Thank goodness I went up and checked on my camera because my storage ran out like literally a couple minutes into filming, which is super freaking annoying because I got a lot done and y'all didn't get to see any of that. But we'll hop up here real quick and check it out. It's probably gonna take a couple passes, but I have made just absolute worlds of improvement here, and I've kind of got it down pat on how to get it to come up. So it is stripping off the haze, the oxidation, the whatever it is coming off. I got the appropriate pad. I'm using a lot less of the compound, and it's working, dude. Look how much more glossy. Obviously, like I said, probably gonna have to make a couple more passes or end up ordering some higher grit or whatever you call it compound. Well, now that my phone's charged, the sun is going down, but you might can already see we have made a ton of progress. So we've got the full first cut done, and it's still a little bit cloudy, but oh my goodness at the difference. It is actually insane. I mean, that's not too far off from the rest of the paint. It's still a little cloudy, a little bit uneven, but we're gonna wrap it up for the day, and then tomorrow we're gonna do another complete full cut of it and then wax it. By the time we do all of that, it should be shining up real good. I mean, you can actually see all the metallic in the paint now, which is amazing. We've got good reflection, just a little bit cloudy. Next day, thankfully nice and sunny. Just got done washing the roof with some dish liquid, so getting all the old contaminants off. I'm gonna go ahead, dry it, and then get this second polish knocked out. let this sit up for a couple minutes, and then we will, I'll wipe it down, and I'll catch up with y'all. We'll check out the final results. All right, guys, well, here she is, and it looks so much better. Now, it is definitely not perfect, and honestly, I could probably go for like a wet sand and then a buff just to completely strip it down, because there's still some unevenness, but I am tickled with not being immediately drawn to the roof being white. It is a million times better than it was before. We'll get up there and look at it in just a second, but dude, don't worry, I'm looking good, daggone it. Last video on the 26s, boys, I do believe. Might even give y'all a little teaser. Maybe you saw it at the beginning of the video. I'm not sure. But hopefully the tires fit on the truck that we're about to attempt to put on the truck. It's going to look insane, but I'm just worried it's not going to turn whatsoever. Look at that. Oh my God, that crispy right there. Let's go ahead and hop up here real quick. So there she is. Once again, not perfect, but holy crap, a million times better than it was. You can actually see the metallic, there's reflection, it's blue. You can see the clouds in it. I'm very happy with that. Now, it absolutely sucked doing it, and I am not a professional, so professional. I'm a beginner level, not even remotely good or know what I'm doing with that, but you know, I just give it a shot, and it turned out pretty freaking good. Hopefully it lasts. I'm still, I don't know. Is the clear gone? Is it just really contaminated clear now? I think a sand and a polish would fix it, just from what I see. But probably won't go that crazy. It doesn't, like I said, attract my eyes anymore. It's just blue up there. Just blue, not chalky white, horrible looking. I did order a new brow for the top so we can get that fixed. Dude, look at this truck. We got some kind of insane lighting going on. This blue loves super bright, and then overcast days as well. But yeah, this video is probably long enough, so I'm gonna leave it there. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. Comment down below and let me know if you have any tips on what you think I should do with the roof to get it back to as pristine as possible. But with that said, I'll catch y'all boys in the next one.